Hey everyone, this is Curtis Fillers, and I'm going to do a video today on a business that I'm in called Crypto Pros. First off, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video and for tuning into my YouTube channel. Um, if you don't already know, this channel is mainly about making money online, working from home, affiliate marketing. That's mostly what I deal with. Um, Lead generation, how to get leads and traffic to whatever offer you have. Anything that you have that you're doing online, um, I can help you get traffic to whatever that is. There's multiple ways to do that. And what I've been doing a lot of lately is Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the business that I want to show you today. I've done videos before on this. It's Crypto Pros. It's Crypto Pros, and this is it right here on the screen. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we're going to log in here. You hit member login. When you first get here, it's going to say something like join or log in. I can't remember. I haven't been in but about 3 weeks to a month, somewhere in there. But something like that, you'll know. If you're not a member, it's going to say join now or something like that. And then it's going to ask you for a username. Here's my username. You're going to enter your password. And then it's going to ask for a passcode, like a number. Just give a number, 8748 or whatever. Just give yourself 4 digits and write it down. Or be sure to write all of this down so you'll never forget. I always keep a notebook of all my businesses, my passwords, and everything all together. And then what's going to happen is this is a login ad that pops up. Someone's paid for this. And there's a lot of people logging every day and they see this. So you'll see different login ads daily. And then you'll go up right at the corner was members area. You'll click on that. And that's when you'll see your dashboard here. I'm not going to go over everything in this today. I'm going to kind of break this up. But along the sides here are text ads. For every ad pack that you buy, it's a purchase an ad pack. It's $2, just $2. And you get a text ad and a banner ad. It shows unlimited for 14 days, and you can renew it. And so here are my banner ads here in my back office. You'll just give yourself a title. You put the banner's URL here, and once they click on the banner, you want to put the URL that you want them to send them to right there. Text ads. What I've come to learn over the years, the shorter the better. It's quick to the point. You put like a title, and you'll do a line here, a line here, and a line here, and then where you want them to end up at. See over here, you can see a few. Fantastic day, real money, big system, free leads, free traffic to your website, free rotators, and people will click on these. And guys, this is a huge advertising site, meaning this is a buyer's market here. This is everyone on here. I almost have to say everyone on here is wanting to make money online, is making money online, working from home. That's what they want, or that's what they're doing now, and they want to get more of it, more multiple streams of income. So that's why they're coming here. They're coming here to advertise their site, and along the way, you'll see other sites. I tell you what, the last couple days, I'm seeing things I've never seen before, and I thought I've seen it all of companies. I was like, I didn't even know about that. It's another. It was a rev share. I'm not even going to mention the name, but I see a lot of people and people I know that are in it, and I'd never heard of it before. It's just amazing that things can still really be out there, and you've not have heard of it before. That's how big the universe is right there. That shows you how big everything is. But that's what you get for one ad pack. Okay. And what you want to do is when you come in here, go to finance and you want to deposit, like on your purchase wallet, you want to right here, add funds. You want to bring something in here, a Bitcoin. You want to bring some in here. I'd bring at least $10 or something. And what we did, we have a team here. We bought 7 $2 ad packs. They said that's the best strategy. I can't remember why that's the best strategy. That's what I did. I spent $14, and every week we call it a bronze, Friday. It don't have to be on Friday, but every week we spend $2 and buy another ad pack. But you can buy a whole lot more if you like, and you get more advertising time for that. The more ad packs you got, the longer you can keep these up. And same with your banners. My team here, I tell you what, honestly, I had so much going on that I don't think I've done but one video on Crypto Pros. This will be my second video, and it was high in the rankings on YouTube. But my direct referrals here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about nine. 4 are paid members. 1's never even logged in. 2's never logged in. You gotta love that. 1 or a couple of them on here I piffed in. What that means is you can pay it forward. We have what's called a PIF area, PIF free members in. It's someone that joined under someone and they haven't ended up paying anything yet. They come out to the whole company and fall into this right here. All right, there's one person in here right now. Right now, if I wanted to, I could piff this person, this lady here. I could hit that. Are you sure you want to pay it forward to her? I could pay it to her, and she would become in my downline. I'm going to say no right now. And then sometimes, for whatever reason, it might be from where they're at or what country they're in, they may not have $2 to do this. So if you piff them in and they start earning some money, if they can just add $2 a week, this can become very huge. And I'll show you what I mean. Right here is my downline. All right, here we go. These are my ad packs, guys. This is an ad pack right here. Each one of these over here is an ad pack. And that's how many positions I have. This is called the spillover from the tops coming down on top of what I got. 53 positions just on one ad pack. 4 levels deep. 28 on the next one, 23 on the next one, 7, 17, 19 on the next one, all the way down. And here's what you do. You look over here where it says action, and you can check these out. All right, here's me. Here's me. Hit them out. It's just incredible. It just keeps going. I can't even, the screen won't even let me hold it all. And guys, on out here, like this person here, see how he's purchasing more ad packs? I don't even have a clue who he is. And then he just keeps going out. And this is under me. This falls under me. And I make money on this. But don't look at it as the reason to come in here and actually make a whole lot of money. It's such a great advertising site. The icing on the cake is the money you make from it. I swear it is. And see, it just keeps going. This is one ad pack. I got 53 positions on one ad pack. And I'm nothing big here. I mean, these people in here got thousands of people in their matrix. So that was just that one ad pack. And it's earning $2.35, $1.26. Don't look like much, but look how it just keeps building. These are just going to explode. And they go to infinity forever. There's no level. It doesn't end. So I'm telling you, you want to get in here, get started. What I'm going to do, I got a video that explains it a little bit better. It's not even me on the video. It's probably, you have probably had to have seen it to get in here. Maybe. But if you're watching this video, in the description below is going to be a link to so I can be your sponsor, and I'll help you out with this. If you need help getting piffed in, let me know. I may be able to piff you in. I probably will. Get you started. $2 to get you an ad pack. I'll do that for the first so many people. You got to contact me, though. And you got to join under me. There'll be a link. Click that link. And there's going to be a video with where it's going to say your name and email address. That's what I'm looking for. I'm going to get your name and your email. And beside it, it's going to be a video to watch. You watch that video. That explains this better than I do. It's from my sponsor's sponsor explains this, how this is set up. It's even better than what I did because I can't explain it the best way. Haven't been in it long enough to do it. but I got the gist of it. It's a great way to make money, and it's a great way to advertise your business, whatever business that might be. I mean, whatever business that might be. So please do yourself a favor. Click that link in the description below. Contact me. Join this. Hop in there. Add those funds right here. Purchase wallet. Go to purchase wallet. And right here, see add funds. Click add funds and at least get one ad pack. Throw in about 10. What you do is about throw 10 or $20 in here, buy some ad packs, save some up in here, and then keep checking here for a PIF list. And you may want to PIF someone in. And then that person, you can almost buy your downline. You almost can buy your downline in here. So do that. Get your advertisement set up. And over here, guys, your account information, your account stats, tutorial videos right here. We also got marketing materials right in here, splash pages. Here they come out with a new one. I'm not sure which one's the new one. We got banners, all this for you to advertise, email swipes. And I'm telling you, it's great, guys. I'm getting emails all the time. Someone bought some more ad packs. It's really getting good. And don't let the price of Bitcoin dropping scare you off or anything. That's a good thing. I promise you. It's dropping like a rock right now. So this is the time to get in here, make Bitcoin, get Bitcoin, and then you're going to withdraw it out after you make a bunch of them, withdraw it out. And when that starts to rise back up, it's where you're going to make a whole ton of money. That's how it happens. It's just like stocks. When stocks drop, a lot of people panic, but that's a good thing. In a lot of cases, a lot of times it's a great thing. That's when you can buy a whole lot of those stocks at a cheaper price, and they're going to go back up. Most of the time, they're going to go back up, and that's where you make all your money. So I'm also going to leave a link down here, guys, to connect with me on Facebook, Curtis Fillers. So that'll all be in the description below, and I really would appreciate it, guys, if you give me a thumbs up, a like on this, and subscribe to my channel. And anything I can help you with, I promise you, anything, let me know. I used to struggle online, and I mean, it was bad. If anything you can imagine's happened to someone online or anything like that, I promise you it's happened to me. I promise you. I never gave up. I never gave up. I should have gave up, but I didn't give up. So don't think that this might not be for you if you don't understand Bitcoin. I always was interested in Bitcoin and crypto, but didn't know anything about it, so it made me standoffish of it. I stayed away from it because I didn't know about it. I was scared of it, I guess. And I got with a guy that's expert with this Bitcoin, and I love it. It's a great thing. So the link below, guys, click it. Go ahead and get in and join and connect with me, and we'll get you started, and I'll show you how to make some Bitcoin here, a lot of Bitcoin, and get your business advertised in the same space. All right, you guys have a great day, and we will talk to you later. Take care now. Bye-bye.